Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I partnered with Buxom Cosmetics and I'm going to be showing you how I got this warm gold fall inspired makeup look using some of their products, as well as swatching some of their full force plumping lipsticks at the end of this video. My favorite thing about the lipsticks is that they have hyaluronic acid in them, which I love hyaluronic acid when it comes to skincare because it's very hydrating and it makes the formula much more moisturizing, so it doesn't feel dry at all and it's very comfortable to wear. So make sure if you're interested in seeing some of those lip swatches that you stay tuned till the end of the video. So right now, the first thing that I'm doing is using their Divine Goddess highlighter palette, and I'm taking the shades Venus and Luna and just applying that to my face where I normally would highlight with my finger. This is a cream formula and it's really easy to blend out, and I love using my fingers when I'm using a cream formula just because I feel like it melts everything into the skin. For my eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Boss Babe Betty Buxom palette, and I love this eyeshadow palette because it just screams fall time to me. I love the warm tones and the golds and the coppers and browns, and it just has everything you need to kind of create any fall look. And you can also wear these year round because these are just very versatile colors. And the first shade I'm taking is Cashmere Craving on a large fluffy brush, and I'm just blending that out into my crease. Now I'm going in with the shade Invite Only, and I'm using another large fluffy brush. This one's a little bit more dense, and I'm just applying that to my crease as well. The first shade was a bit lighter, so it kind of acts as a base. That way everything blends together a lot more seamlessly and we don't have any harsh lines. And now I'm taking the shade Work on a smaller brush. This one is much more dense, and I'm just applying that to my outer corner, and I do that in patting motions and then I'm blending it out. Now going back in with that Cashmere Craving shade, I'm applying that to my brow bone for a nice subtle brow bone highlight. And on a flat synthetic brush, I'm going in with the shade Crazy Rich, which is a really gorgeous gold shade, and I'm just applying that to my lid. Once I've applied that gold shade all over my lid, I'm going in with a little bit of another gold shade from the palette, which is called For Real, and I'm applying that using the same brush to more towards the center of my lid. I'm just keeping my focus in the middle rather than all over like the first shade, and then I'm taking my finger and just applying a little bit of the shade All Access, which is the lightest gold shade in the palette, and that is going to really make this eye look stand out and give it more of a three-dimensional effect. I then took some of the cream highlighter shades that I used on my face and I applied that to my inner corner just to work as an eyeshadow base to make the inner corner highlight stand out even more, and I applied All Access to my inner corners. Now I'm going back in with that Work shade from the palette, and I'm just adding more eyeshadow to my outer corner to make it stand out even more. On a flat definer brush, I'm taking that dark chocolatey shade in the palette, Unapologetic, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. I'm just applying that kind of halfway through, not all the way. This is going to give a more smoky like effect to the eyes and add a little bit of more definition. And then after that, I'm taking a dome shaped brush and the same colors that I applied to my crease and buffing those out under my eyes to smoke everything out even further. To make this eye look even smokier, I'm going in with that Unapologetic shade on a dense, small, fluffy blending brush and applying that to my outer corner. And then I'm taking that same shade, except now on a flat definer brush, which I use for eyeliner, and I'm creating a soft, smoky wing. It's not going to be winged out or anything like that, just a very small baby wing. For mascara, I'm going in with the Buxom Lash Volumizing Mascara. I really like the wand on this, and I've been really enjoying this on much more natural days, but for the sake of this look, I want to make it even more dramatic, so I will be applying falsies, but that is totally optional. You can totally leave it as is. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe down below if you haven't already, and make sure to stay tuned for the lip swatches.